Hi all, so today I will show you how you can create word template. So as you can see from here, when you click on download template, whatever template we have, what we can say, whatever we configure here, the template it will appear here and the template we can download. So how we can configure the template? So first of all, we have to navigate to advanced setting. So in advanced setting, you have to navigate to templates, then click on document template. Here, first of all, I will create new template, or what I can say, you have to select word template here. Here you have to select on which entity that word template should be available. So that you have to actually select here. For example, now I'm selecting contact, and you can select entity. Here you can see select entity is contact, and here you have to click on download template. Once the document is downloaded, you can open it. Here you can click on enable editing. Then first of all, this developer option should be available for you. For that, you can go here, more, and option. In option, you can go customize ribbon. In customize ribbon, in this list or in this list, you have to find this option called as developer, and check that and click OK. So after that, the developer option will be available here, and here you can see XML mapping pen that you have to select, and in the drop down you have to check for this contact too. So here all the metadata of the entity you can find over here, all the logical name over here you can find. So for now I'm selecting first name, or let's say full name, and insert content control. Here you can select plain text. So I will add one more thing, that is job title. So and after that I will format this. Let's increase by 36 and bold, and it should be, let's say, mm, 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 anything area black. Okay, once you've done this, you have to save it. You can press Ctrl S, it will save, and the same document you have to upload in your template. So here you can select again that upload template, and inside upload template you have to navigate in your same folder and select that file and open, and you can upload the same file here. Once the file is uploaded, you can see status is activated. It should be activated. Name, contact. Okay, and now you can go to your application over here and just hard refresh, that is Control Shift R. Once you do hard refresh, the template will be available for use. So as you can see here, I'm in contact entity. The first name is Claudia and last name. Then here we don't have any job title, so I will give one job title as a sales manager, and let me save it. And if I go here in word template, the word template which I have just uploaded, that should be available here. So as you can see, our word template document name is contact, and that is available here. Now if I click on this, what we have set in word template, that is a full name, it will come dynamically from this record, and the job title, it will directly fetch those values into the word template. Let's see that. Now it is exporting to word and exported successfully. Now we have to again download this. As you can see here, I will save it and open this document. So you can see Claudia and the sales manager, what we have set here, same way it is showing, right? And in record also we have same sales manager and this Claudia and Accenture. So that's how you can create word template. So for uploading and downloading the Word template, you can directly upload your template from here as well, or you can download the template from here as well. You don't have to go always from advanced setting. Okay, so you can see here, if I click on Word template and click on download template, it will same pop up. It will show that is we have to select entity and some relationship if we want, and we have to download it. Okay, that's how you can download Word template. You can modify it according to your need, and then we can use it. So that's it for the day.